Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the tread depth of your tires. So first thing you want to do, tires are measured in 30 seconds. So you want to put the thing like that. Put this part right here. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Want to see how you got your red, got your yellow, got your green. Once you got right here, yellow is the most time to replace it, but when it's in red, you gotta replace your tires. There you go, that's pretty much it with tires. You can check these parts. Don't necessarily have to. It's mostly your tread right here that you need to check. So that's really it for these things. But each tire will be different and everything else. So I'm going to show you how to check your pressure. First things first, you want to go to your driver's side door. Go to the driver's side door. Open the car. And look for your pressure right there. So 35, 35, and 60 for spare. Okay, so you want to go back over here to your tire. Come back over here to your tire. Unscrew this. This is valve cap. I bought these. Now I link everything in the description that I used. Here's 35. So what we want to do is put it back on. Okay, and ready to go. I thought I just want to see what's two tires and checking them. Now, I don't have everything put over here, so I can't really show you how to fill them up. But maybe later on, I can make a video on how to fill your tires up. Okay? Sounds good, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!